Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom Lester channel. So today, let us continue the market analysis for the 15th of December 2020. So before I continue with the market analysis, I would like to make a disclaimer that this is not a recommendation to buy or sell shares or trade in any positions. It's purely serve as my own personal trade journals, and it's purely sharing my own personal portfolio, right? So let us start with the market analysis. Let's check this out. So for today, let's go through the S&P index first. S&P index daily charts, it has actually retraced downwards, right? So it has actually retraced to 20 EMA, 20 days moving averages. So let's see whether it will come down further, because to me 3580 is actually the support line for the S&P index. So right now it has started to adjust a little bit. Let's see how it goes. Now is let's see whether it will bounce back off from 20 EMA or it will move towards to 40 EMA. Or maybe not 40 EMA, maybe just my support level here, 3580. Let's see how it goes. But for the weekly charts of SPX, it's actually started off the week with downward trends, right? It's actually a red candle for this week. Of course, this week today is only started with Monday, so this week's candle is not firm. Last week is already a red candle. Let's see how it goes this week. So this is S&P index, but to me, S&P is still at a bullish trend, right? It may go down for a few days, but to me, for the next 1 year or so, it's still at a bullish trend, right? Because this 3580 is already served as a new support level. That's my personal opinion. It may not be true, all right? So what I say may not be true. It's just my personal opinion. So another one that we take a look is the Nasdaq. So for Nasdaq, actually, there was a green candle yesterday. So Nasdaq actually bounces off from 20 moving average, right? It already moved up from 20 moving average. I think the trend is still in a bullish manner. So weekly chart definitely this week is a green chart because Monday ends with a green day. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Generally is very bullish, and so this is S&P and Nasdaq. So to me, I will enter more bullish positions than bearish positions because, in my opinion, the market is bullish. So I managed to scan two new stocks. So these are the two. DQ is a stock where it shows first arrow with teeth. That means there is a signal to buy. However, I will not enter today because yesterday, even though yesterday show a valid arrow to buy, however, I will not enter today because I want to wait for the price to break above 6 months high. So currently the 6-month high, the price is 48.73. If today after the full day of trading, after today's market, the full candle for Tuesday, if the price break above 48.73, then I will set a valid entry. Otherwise, I'll just leave it first because it hasn't break 6 months high, right? So maybe let us take a look at the DQ charts. See, yesterday it showed a valid entry arrow for this particular candle. However, this candle seems to meet the resistance level for DQ. This is the resistance level for DQ. So it seems like it. Okay, so this is the resistance level for TQ. So I'm waiting for the next candle to break above the resistance level in order for me to enter, which I think is more safe to enter if the candle break above the resistance. Then I feel safer to enter into this particular stock DQ. So I will put a hold on this and then continue to monitor tomorrow, right? That's why, because I want to continue to monitor this stock, that's why I put it here. I noted it here so that tomorrow I can continue to take a look at this stock. So about another stock that I've managed to scan is actually SAIL, SAIL. It's a second arrow with T. So this signal is already second valid signal already. It's not the first valid signal. Usually I like to choose stocks that is first valid signal. This is already a second valid signal, and it actually broke 6 month high at this second arrow. So the entry price that I'm going to set is 51.16. Okay, maybe let us go through the charts for this stock called SAIL. I don't know what is this company about. Oh, so it's a $50.02. How come got two SAIL? Yeah, make a minute. Let me check. What is the correct SAIL? So NYSE SAIL is SAIL point. Okay, so it's actually SAIL point. Yeah, so this is correct. SAIL point is correct. So basically, it already, actually what happens yesterday was the price already broke 49.81. 49.81 is the historical high, right? So 49.81 is the historical high. Yesterday's market actually, yesterday's price actually broke 49.81, and then it comes back down, it pull back down and closes at 50.02. So today I will set a valid entry. I will set an entry price that is above 51.16. So what is my entry price? My entry price is 51.16. So When the share price moved to 51.16, this is where I'm gonna enter into this particular stock. So I'm going to set a stop limit order, 51.16, stop at around 53.16, so that I don't buy the share at a too expensive price. I will usually set a stop limit. So I will buy at 51.16, stop at 53.16. So if in any case, if the price open higher than 53.16, most likely this entry will not get triggered. All right, so this is the stop that I managed to find. So yeah, let's see tonight whether it will get triggered. The next stock that I managed to find is actually ZTO. This is a shorting stock. All right, it's a sell signal. There's a valid sell signal with second arrow with teeth. And also this second arrow, this new sell signal actually breaks 6 months low. Let's see, okay. ZTO. All right, so basically I want to take a look at ZTO because it broke 6 months low. And this one. Okay, let's check out ZTO. NYSE. So basically there's a beautiful downtrend, bearish trend, and it already broke 6 months low from June to December. There is a new low since June to December, right? So I'm gonna set a sell stop limit for this particular stock. Yesterday closes at $27. So I'm going to place a stop limit sell order on this particular stock at 26.99 because $27 was the closing price, was the low price and the closing price. So yeah, I'm gonna place entry at 26.99, shorting this particular stock. Well, let's see whether it gets triggered. So these are the two stocks that I managed to scan, and then DQ, I will not place order today. I will continue to monitor tomorrow, see whether it breaks 6 months high, because as of today, it hasn't. All right, so these are the positions that I am still holding on, and there is no signal to close any positions yet as of today. So yeah, so basically these are the current yesterday's closing price, and these are the entry price. Since everyone is making good profit so far, ZG making good profit, AMAT is moving up, SPCE there's a gap down but still moving up. A gap down most likely is because of maybe it's because it was influenced by the SpaceX because there was a crash on SpaceX, right? So most likely it also impact SPCE share price. Okay, BLDR still holding on. BLDR is actually in a negative position, but I will continue to hold until there's a valid sell signal since the rest of my position are making money. So most likely I will not sell it until I see a sell signal, even though the candle already showed actually it broke below a certain support already. However, I will continue to hold until the valid sell signal pops up. All right, so I will hold it. SPXC also, yeah, slight loss, but I'll just let it run. There is no sell signal. The rest of the stocks are basically are still moving at a profit. Team moving at a profit. Netflix moving at a profit. WSM actually broke below a certain support, but I will continue to hold until there's a weekly sell signal. If there isn't, because all my positions are running at positive, so I don't mind to continue to hold until there is a valid sell signal. NVCR is making $20 profit so far, unrealized profit. These are all unrealized profit because I'm still holding on to my portfolio. CHL also shorting and it makes money. So it's a shorting position and it makes money. And yeah, so tonight I will enter another hedge position, which is a shorting position to hedge my overall portfolio. Yeah, so this is that's all for today. Besides these two, then that's all for today, and have a good day ahead, and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.